rhododendron bush really flowered this year. My goodness. Got some chicken thighs that I'm going to throw into the pressure cooker here. I like to season mine with some smoked paprika. And of course, someone has to supervise, make sure everything is going just so. Now 10 minutes usually does it, so I'll let her rip, I guess. And there we have it. A little bit of meal prep anyways. I'm quite a bit behind this year in my planting. I haven't even taken care of the fence yet. Just got to get the motivation, I guess. Guess we'll just take it one bit at a time, right? See how we go from there. Anyway, put some tea and egg shells in this one. Had a subtle bit of inspiration hit me. So I put in a few of my transplants. These are known as Rutgers. They're a new one for me. But I think that's as far as the inspiration is going to go today. And of course, Otis finds his perch to be always watchful. Otis. Come on, you sit down. Come over here. Over here. Sit down. Sit down. Too many mosquitoes out there. Listen, I have first bite. Just want to let you know we're having some severe health issues. Not sure how long we have left. Take what we can get. Still happy. Still such a happy pup. She darling. There you go, handsome.